Salam everybody. It's a nice Saturday morning and I'm heading down to Youies for my second ride over there. It's about 40 minutes from my place. And yeah, I'm gonna try a new track. I think it's called the Chainsaw Track or something. It's just a 3.5 kilometer track. It's an intermediate track. Because there are a few berms and jumps. That's what I want to try. Experience in jumps and berms, no, okay, but I'll just have a shot at it, one or two, whatever that I can, but of course safety first. And maybe I'll just try my best to grab a few videos and let's take a look. But the drive there is actually very beautiful. Some very nice open vast lands, and you'll see mountains on the other side. You can't actually see, it's a bit overexposed there, but yeah, there are mountains on that side actually. And yeah, alright, we arrived back at the car park, Kurranjong Carpark. So I took a big one whole round back to this car park. So I went out to stockyards and all that. So I think this is still yet the best place to park, and I realized that it's just about 1.5 to 2 kilometers away from the route. So it's an easy warm-up ride up to the place. So yeah, trying to dress up a little bit. Yeah, I'll catch you later on. Okay, so I'm heading now. I'm here. So I'm going up straight here to number 15. This is where Chainsaw Track is. So after I'm done, I'll head back here. Alright, we've come from the warm-up of the car park. Quite a bit of a warm-up. It's a gradual uphill. And as you can see from my breath, it was quite a bit of work. Halfway through, I had to go back to my car because I forgot my water bottle. Right, so now we are at the start of Chainsaw Track here. 3.5 kilometers with some berms and some jumps. Just gonna try it out and see how it goes. Safety first. Catch you later.
Coming to the obstacles. Boom, coming up. Losing traction on the back wheel. All right, easy. Nice, nice. Right, relax.
Alright guys, we just ended the route. It's pretty good. I think I will definitely come back here a few more times just to improve on my technique and all that. But yeah, behind me here, this is where the start of the jumps are. So what happens is you come in from that open space. It's mainly a gradual uphill. Once you hit the open, basically it brings you down to the first table here, the second one over there, and we'll actually do a nice left hook, nicely made berm that side. Yeah, maybe we take a look at the berm. Yeah, so this is the berm. On the phone it's towards the right, but it's actually towards the left. Right, so it goes down, you pick up speed somewhere here, then you do a jump. I did jumps. Yeah, so a lot of practice required. So, but it's fun. Really good place to get yourself introduced to jumps and berms and all that, and picking up speed as you gain confidence. I hope you enjoyed the video, just a little bit. Definitely, inshallah, we'll come here again and again. Very good plot for practice. I'll see ya.